how to log in or sign in TIAA CREF account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you quick and simple steps to get logged into your TIAA CREF account. TIAA CREF is a financial services organization that provides retirement and financial planning solutions to the individuals who work in the academic, medical, culture, and research fields. Now, to learn how you can get logged into your TIAA CREF account, follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, let's get started. Firstly, launch a web browser on a PC. Now, in the address bar, type in tiaa.org and press enter on a keyboard. And then you will be taken to the official homepage of TIAA. Now, on the homepage of TIAA, you will be able to see this login box at the top of the screen. Now, you have to simply enter your TIAA CREF username and password. This is the same information you provided when you set up your online account. So, enter it correctly. Now, if you have forgotten your user ID, then you can click this Forget User ID link to recover your user ID. And if in case you have forgotten your password, then you can click on Forget Password link to reset your password. And if you want your system to remember your login details, then you can tick this square box and then you will be automatically get logged into your TIAA in your next visit. But if in case you are using shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is before logging to your account. Now, once you're done with typing in your username and password correctly, tap on login button. TIAA CREF might have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. If prompted, follow the instruction to complete the 2FA process. And after entering your credentials and completing any necessary security step, you should be logged into your TIAA CREF account. From there, you can manage your retirement accounts, investment, and other financial services. Now, just like that, you can get logged into your TIAA CREF account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.